Hi there, my name's Isabel and I'm a People Specialist at Employment Hero. This is the Hero Memo. It's Tuesday the 14th of September. Let's explore the latest news on lockdowns and restrictions around the country and what they mean for businesses. Starting with some disheartening news. The ACT's Chief Minister Andrew Barr has announced that Canberra will remain in lockdown until at least the 15th of October, which is an additional 4 weeks. This isn't the news businesses were hoping for. Even though it's a very small consolation, there will be some light relief from this weekend. Small businesses that are currently permitted to operate a click and collect or delivery service can have up to 5 people in the business at any one time, or 1 person per 4 square metres, whichever is lesser. Outdoor social recreation will also recommence, with up to 5 people allowed to gather. Both of these relief measures will come into effect from this Friday at 11:59 p.m. In Sydney, as of Monday, people can now gather outside in groups of 5 or less. For many, this means catching up with family outdoors, more recreation, and outside the LGAs of concern, picnics. If you're wanting to soak up some sunshine on a picnic with 5 of your vaxxed family or friends, we'd love you to show your support to the hospitality industry by buying a picnic hamper. This is just another way that local hospo businesses are continuing to adapt through COVID, while their operations remain limited by restrictions. There are more good things to come, with consistent vaccination rates making that mid-October reopening date ever more certain. As the date becomes closer, businesses should be mindful of 2 things: helping their employees get vaccinated and getting their COVID safety plans in place. Lockdowns in both regional New South Wales and Victoria have mostly lifted, but residents are urged to be vigilant before the full 70% vaccination rate hits. How would your business cope if you had to immediately shut down again? It's not fun to think about, but it's worth having a plan in place to be prepared. There may also be an end in sight to easing lockdown restrictions in Melbourne and Greater Shepparton. Victorian Premier Dan Andrews said on the 1st of September that current restrictions would stay in place until 70% of the adult population had received 1 dose of the vaccine. The expected date for this is the 23rd of September. In Queensland, further business support has been announced, targeting small businesses operating along the Queensland and New South Wales border and hard-hit tourism operators. The joint state and federal emergency funding package of over $52 million includes an extension of Queensland's existing pandemic business support program and the introduction of new hardship payments. Let's break down what's become available. A new program targeting the tourism and hospitality sector will kick off, providing one-off grants to businesses across the state. To be eligible for the payment, businesses must have experienced at least a 70% drop in turnover for at least 7 consecutive days between the 1st of July and the 30th of September. There will be an extension of the existing business grant programs, with the objective being to provide one-off grants for businesses in the border zone. Hardship grants will be made available from mid-October, with $5,000 being provided to struggling businesses and $1,000 being provided to non-employing sole traders. Additional funding will be provided to the Gold Coast Council for Destination Gold Coast to run a campaign supporting border businesses, and $50,000 will help boost marketing campaigns for Border Town Coolangatta. Finally, $70,000 will go towards mental health support for business owners and their families who are located in the border zone. Details of services are yet to be announced. Visit business.qld.gov.au for more information and the eligibility criteria. And now to finish with the disclaimer. The information in this voice memo is relevant as at the 14th of September 2021 and has been prepared by Employment Hero Pty Ltd. The views expressed are general information only and are provided in good faith to assist employers and their employees. While due care has been taken in preparing the memo, no responsibility is accepted by Employment Hero for the accuracy or suitability of the information contained. All liability is expressly disclaimed for any loss or damage which may arise from any person relying on, using, or acting on any information contained therein.